welcome back to my channel. Today we are celebrating a festival. The festival we are celebrating is called Holi. It celebrates the victory of good over evil. So that's why we'll be celebrating with a lot of colors. Let the fun begin. First of all, we need some colored powder. So let's go buy some. Let's do this. So we got our powder.
NPS udah pakai. Oh NPS.
Highlights, people. Highlights.
That's no highlights.
Yeah. So a nice event here at Palmentuin is called the Makhan Chor. Let's go check it out. Kamlesh, what is Makhan? Makhan is butter and Chor means to steal. So what they're trying to show you is how Lord Krishna steals butter that is stored in clay pots.